Hello, today I'm very excited to review this cable chain. I was provided this sample by KEZEF and I love the product. It's 14 inches, 18K gold. Obviously, it's sterling silver, 925 sterling silver. And it's a little short, but what I like about it is the quality. It's delicate, it's fine. You can put it with different outfits, formal wear, casual wear, put a charm if you wish. Also, it can be for women, young women, even children. You can put this on and just make sure you take it off before you go to the pool or you go to the beach. Make sure you don't put cosmetics or you don't put it too hard chemicals. If you would like to clean it, just use a lint. And to storage, just hang it in a place where it doesn't get knotted or tangled. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.